This is Jordan, Registrar and Bursar, Seton Hall Law School. I just want to show you how to log into Lawnet and Touchnet so you can view your account balance, make a payment, and a couple other important features. So to do that, you get to the law school website, which I have up here. You'll hover over Students and click the Lawnet portal. From there, you want to type in your short name and your password. Typically, you're going to have to go through Duo Security. Since I've logged in earlier today, I can bypass it. From here, you want to click on the Lawnet portal. And then the My Info tab. Before we get to TouchNet, I get some questions on how to process the health insurance waiver and information where to find the health insurance. Up here over health insurance, if you click more info, it will bring you right to the health insurance page. And any questions or concerns about health insurance, you can either call this number here or the email there. And you can do the waiver by clicking the waiver form right here and then putting your information. Let's get back to here. To access TouchNet now, you'll hit View and Pay My Account. Here are some important features of TouchNet, just so you're aware. And you're going to hit Continue. And here you are. Now you may get a pop-up on tuition protection insurance. You can read through it. If you want to purchase it then, you can hit yes. If you're not sure, you can hit no and do so later right over here. You may also get a pop-up discussing the refund rules at the law school. Just read through that carefully and hit acknowledge. So now you're in TouchNet, where you can view your account activity, enroll in a payment plan, make a payment. A couple other things you can do that I think are important is authorize users. You can add either a third party or someone like a parent. That way they can receive electronic bills and they can view and make a payment on the account. Any bills would be over here. If you need a current real-time statement, you can click on that too. We do bills usually once a month, and even if you do not have a balance, it's like a credit card statement, you'd still receive one to your Seton Hall email. The other important thing to do is electronic refunds. If you have a credit balance, we would process those refunds after the add drop period, which is the second week of school. Once we confirm attendance, you'd click on here and enter your either checking or savings accounts, routing number, and account number. That way we can send you that refund electronically as a direct deposit. It's a much faster way to get those funds. And that is it. If you have any further questions, you can contact me at 973-642-8385 or my email, jordan.braun@shu.edu, or come visit me. I'm at Enrollment Services, 3rd floor, room 310, and I look forward to seeing you. Welcome to Seton Hall Law.